Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to make a lot of passive income online in 2020. Now, this is going to be something which you are already skilled at. Okay, most of the people really basically know how to create this type of content. Yes, you are knowing how to make this type of content, and basically I don't even need to teach you, but still you can make money with this simple skill. And most of the people who are my viewers or who are my audience are knowing this skill. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to use that particular skill to make a great money online. And this is going to be really interesting. Not affiliate gurus are going to teach you, or not any other online business person is going to tell you on how to make money utilizing your pre-existing skills. Okay, so now let's get started. I will teach you the entire thing, and all you need to do is just grab some popcorn and watch this video till the end so you can understand how to make money online, because the most important thing is that you want to make money online. And let's get started into this video, and let's go to the side of the screen, or else I will disturb you. Okay, so now we are on the side of the screen. All you need to do is go to youtube.com, www.youtube.com. Okay, once you go to youtube.com, and then all you need to type in is this awesome keyword versus Excel tutorial. Okay, so what is Microsoft Excel? Most of the people are knowing about Microsoft Excel, and most of the people among you may be knowing how to use Microsoft Excel. Okay, and this is something which is really basic and very easy, simple software that can be used in 2020. And you can also use this very awesome software to make some great money online in 2020. Now let's get started, and I will show you how you can make this type of very simple Excel videos to make some great money online. Okay, so here you can see that this is the entire channel which just teaches about Excel. Okay, let's click on this channel and let's see what type of videos this channel is posting. Okay, not this one, because it's focused on a lot of things. Let me show you one other channel. Okay, so there are a lot of channels and they are teaching just about Excel. Okay, so the beginner's guide to Excel. You can see this, all these YouTube channels, they are making this very simple videos, and they are teaching about how to use PowerPoint, how to use Excel, and all this stuff. You can see very simple videos on automatically advanced slides and record narration. Okay, so beginner tour for Excel. Okay, beginner's guide to Excel. Okay, most of the people from you basically know how to use Microsoft Excel, and if you don't know how to use Microsoft Excel, you can find a ton of videos on YouTube which you can utilize. Okay, just learn one or two tricks of Microsoft Excel from those videos, and you can start making money out of those videos very simply. All you need to do is download one interesting software to make this very simple screen recording videos. Okay, and that screen recording videos software is known as OBS Studio. Okay, now let me show you what type of videos these are. Okay, so you can see this channel is getting ads. Okay, that's the reason why this channel is also making money with ads. Okay,
सर मुकेश का पेमेंट ब्लॉक हो गया आपके पेपर in this
okay, so you can see this is basically,
well you'll find yourself in a situation.
So this is basically a screen recording video in which this guy is just teaching how to make a simple table or random number, about a random number, how to make a random number file in Excel. Okay, this is something which most of the people know, and this is something which all of you must be knowing, because this is taught in school. Okay, in most of the schools people teach how to use Microsoft Excel, how to use Microsoft Words, or how to use all this stuff. All you need to do is just I make this very simple videos explaining how to insert file in Excel. Okay, how to create tables in Excel, how to make charts in Excel, and you can make a lot of videos just with one program. Okay, so once you have made all the videos about Excel, you can then go to how to do particular things in Microsoft Word. Okay, you can make whole tutorials on Microsoft Word. Then you can go for how to do particular things in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so these are really basic skills which most of the people are knowing, but still most of the people are searching this skill on internet. Okay, they don't know how to use Microsoft Excel, and people search this term for a very most of the many of the time thousands of people search these terms on YouTube, because most of the people are coming are using internet and computers day by day, and they want to learn how to use Excel, they want to learn how to use PowerPoint and all that stuff. And that's where we come into the play, and that's where we are creating this very simple videos. All you need to do is install the screen recording software. Now there are a lot of screen recording softwares which are available on the internet, but OBS Studio is absolutely free. So all you need to do is go to Google, type in OBS Studio, and then you can download the software. It is really easy to set up. All it takes is 2 minutes and you can set up the software. There are a ton of tutorials available on YouTube where you can learn how to set up this software. It just takes 2 minutes. Okay, once you have set up this software, you can make screen recording videos just like this, which I am creating. Okay, so you can also create this type of, so you can see that they are creating very simple using Excel slices to filter data. Okay, so basically they are teaching some of the tips and tricks about how to use Excel or how to do a particular task using Microsoft Excel, and that's what most of the people can do. Okay, we cannot play the videos because I may get a copyright strike and I don't want that to happen, but you just got the idea how they are using this and making this very simple tutorials, and they are earning a lot of money just by monetizing their YouTube channels, teaching all this stuff. Okay, so once you have mastered this, okay, then you can also sell your paid courses about Microsoft Excel, or you can also sell your paid courses about Microsoft PowerPoint and all that stuff. And that's really very easy and very simple. And if you don't know how to use, you can find a lot of courses teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and all that stuff on udemy.com. All you need to do is spend just $10 to $20 and you can learn the entire thing of how to use Microsoft Excel or how to use Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can have you can do an entire course just for $10 to $20, and then you can make a ton of videos just by learning some basic details from this course and upload those videos to YouTube. And basically you can monetize your channel and you can start earning a great AdSense revenue from this. And you can, after that, you can also sell your paid Excel course. You can create your paid Excel course, or you can create your paid PowerPoint course, and you can start selling those courses through your YouTube channel, and you can make a ton of money. That's something which is really interesting, and that's something which most of the people who are my audience can do, because most of the people are having some basic idea about Excel, and that's the reason why it's very easy for them to create this type of content, and it's not at all difficult. And anyone, absolutely anyone, can make this type of content on YouTube, monetize that with AdSense, and make some great money online. Every single month you can make up to $50 every single day if you stick to it, and if you are willing to upload 100 videos to YouTube, you can really start making a very good income just by uploading this very simple 5 to 10 minute videos to your YouTube channel. And that's something which is really awesome, because YouTube can be said that it is a gold mine for making money, and all you need to do is a very basic and simple skill, and you can just teach that skill and you can start making money using this YouTube, which is the gold mine of making money online. Okay, anybody can do this, all can do this. It's really easy, it's really simple. All you need to do is take action, and if you are going to take action, you are definitely gonna make money with this strategy. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button on this video, as well as the subscribe button and the bell notification which will appear next to it, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos for you, with which you can make a lot of money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.